This is the book of Romans in 3 minutes. Let's go. Hey y'all, it's Brian here. Welcome back to the channel. The book of Romans is perhaps the most systematic explanation of the gospel of Jesus in the entire New Testament. The book of Romans has been referred to as Paul the Apostle's greatest literary work ever. Paul was the person who wrote the book of Romans, and he wrote it sometime in the late 50s. And the reason that he wrote it was primarily to explain what the righteousness of God looks like as revealed through the gospel of Jesus. Many scholars believe that there was a division between the Gentile Christians and the Jewish Christians in Rome. And so as a result, Paul was writing the letter to the Romans to explain to them that the gospel actually fulfills all of the Old Testament righteous requirements and includes the Gentiles in that as well. In the book of Romans, we see Paul clearly outlining what the righteousness of God looks like in terms of the gospel. Paul actually begins by saying that he's not ashamed of the gospel, that it's actually God's power unto salvation. Then he goes on for the following chapters to explain what that looks like in terms of how God fulfilled that through the Old Testament. We see Paul talking about Abraham, the great father of the faith for the Jews, and how Abraham was actually a prefigure of the gospel, and how Abraham actually set the stage for the gospel to come to pass. Then we see, as Paul systematically breaks that down, we see a contrast between Adam bringing sin in and Jesus overcoming that sin. And we see what that means for the life of the Jew and what that means for the life of the Gentile. As a result of the gospel, no longer are Jews or Gentiles required to follow the law. Instead, they're to follow the law of the righteousness of God as revealed in the gospel. We also see in the book of Romans Paul's expectation and God's future hope for bringing Israel, his chosen people, back into faith under the covenant that is the new covenant, the gospel of Jesus. So as you go to the book of Romans, know that you're seeing a letter that helps connect you to the ancient Jewish faith and how it was fulfilled through Jesus, and how righteousness is not something that we attain by our own strength and our own effort, but rather something that we trust Jesus to do in and through us. And that's the book of Romans in 3 minutes. Y'all, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope this video encouraged you and helped you learn a little bit more and helped you engage God's word. If you will, hit that thumbs up button. I would appreciate that, man. And make sure to subscribe to the channel so you can get more videos that will help you engage God's word on a deeper level. I'm Brian. Can't wait to see you next time, y'all. Bye.